Advanced viewing features simulate exactly what you can expect on the printed packaging material. Define your minimum density and dot gains. RetouchXpress provides a real-time and accurate view of highlight breakouts both for CMYK and spot color inks. Modifying breakout boundaries is extremely easy and fast by our revolutionary toolset. That includes a real-time breakout puller for natural-looking shadows. Hard plate simulation displays the printing and non-printing areas in a simple black and white mode. The on-screen dot proof gives you more detailed look of the critical parts of your image. If you are a packaging repress retoucher, add RetouchXpress to your existing Photoshop toolset to save valuable time and increase quality.